To test the student ID card, I'm changing the ID number using the drop-down. Selecting ID 001-4812 displays Arav Sharma, Class 5A, Roll number 12, Blood Group O positive, and emergency contact ending in 3210. The photos sheet confirms this by highlighting Arav Sharma's row with a green fill and bold, red text. Changing to ID 002-4825 shows Ishan Gupta, Class 4A, Roll number 25, Blood Group A positive, and emergency contact ending in 8764. Let knowledge flow like a river, without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hey everyone! PS Chatterjee here, and welcome back to my channel. Supercharge your Excel skills with a fresh perspective on index and match in today's tutorial, Excel Magic, Dynamic Photo ID Cards. We're already familiar with using index and match to select alphanumeric values. But today, we'll explore a different application, creating a dynamic photo changer. I'll demonstrate this by building dynamic photo ID cards for Sunrise Primary School. We'll use index and match, along with VLOOKUP, to populate the ID cards with relevant data. A drop-down menu will allow you to select the student ID and dynamically update the displayed photo. Please note, all student names, addresses, roll numbers, and other data used in this example are fictitious and do not represent any real individuals or situations. If you find this video helpful, please show your support by liking, subscribing, sharing, and leaving a comment. I truly appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload new videos. Alright, let's dive into Excel Magic, Dynamic Photo ID Cards. And let's get started. This is our Excel sheet, displaying a blank student ID card format for Sunrise Primary School. This view is currently zoomed in using the Zoom to Selection option. I'll now switch to 100% zoom to show you the actual size of the ID card. For this demonstration, the zoomed view is preferable, so I'll undo and return to the enlarged display. This Excel workbook contains two main sheets, ID card and photo. This is the photo sheet, where we stored all student data, including ID numbers, photos, names, class and section, roll numbers, blood group, and emergency contact numbers. Let's examine the ID numbers. These alphanumeric IDs are designed to uniquely identify each student. For example, our ID numbers follow a format like 001-4812, 002-4825, 002-5A08, and so on. Assuming a total student population of under 1,000, the first three digits, 001, 002, etc., represent the student's serial number. The next character, 4, 5, etc., indicates the class level, and A, B, etc., denote the student's section. The final two digits, 12, 25, 08, represent the roll number. These alphanumeric IDs are stored as text, not numbers. Now, let me briefly show you how to create the drop-down menu next to the student ID number field. First, we select the merged cell EF, which I've named I_D. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon and select Data Validation. Choose List as the validation criteria. Then, navigate to the photo sheet and select the range of cells containing the ID numbers, from A1 to A21 in this example. Our drop-down menu is now ready. Now, I'll explain how to create the dynamic photo functionality. Now, I'll bring the data from the photo sheet to the student ID card. This includes the student's name, class, roll number, blood group, and emergency contact number. To do this, I'll use the formula, equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, I_D, comma, photos, $A $1 G $21, comma, 3, comma, 0, close parenthesis. This is for name of the students. In this formula I_D, is the lookup value. Photos, $A $1 G $21 is our table array, 3 is the column number where Excel will find the name, and 0 specifies exact matching. Copying this formula from the text box, I'll paste it into the merged cells E5 and F5. Upon pressing Enter, we see the table header, name, displayed. Because presently, our lookup value is, ID no. The formulas for the other cells will be the same, except for the column number. Now, I'll paste the formula into the cell designated for class and change the column number from 3 to 4. After pressing Enter, we see the header class. Next, I'll paste the formula into the cell for roll number and change the column number from 3 to 5. After pressing Enter, we see the header roll number. Again, I'll paste the formula into the cell for blood group and change the column number from 3 to 6. After pressing Enter, we see the header blood group. Finally, I'll paste the formula into the cell for emergency contact number and change the column number from 3 to 7. After pressing Enter, we see the header emergency contact number. The contact number displayed here is the school's contact number. This will remain the same on all ID cards. Since we're seeing the correct column headers for each item, we're on the right track. The only remaining step is to display the photo in the picture holder. You'll see how to do that in the next part of this video. Before analyzing the index and match functions for our dynamic photo changer, let's review the location of our ID numbers. The data ranges from cell A1 to A21, including the header, and this is the lookup array for the match function. The photos themselves range from cell B1 to B21, also including the header, and this is the lookup array for the index function. On this additional sheet, I've typed the formula in the text box, equals index, open parenthesis, photos, $B $1 B $21, comma, match, open parenthesis, I_D, comma, photos, $A $1 A $21, comma, 0, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Here, photos, $B $1 B $21 is the lookup underscore array for index, I_D is the student's ID number and lookup underscore value for the match function, photos, $A $1 A $21 is the lookup underscore array for the match function, and 0 specifies an exact match. You're likely already familiar with this type of formula. However, Simply placing this formula directly into the cell designated for the photo on the ID card won't work. This video has two key twists. This is the first. I'll now copy this formula. Then, on the ribbon, I'll select Formulas and then define name. In the Refers to box, I'll paste the copied formula, first deleting any existing text to avoid interference. In the Name box, I'll type pic_, short for picture. After that, I'll click OK to accept. Our named range, pic_, is now ready. I'll save the file. I'm now switching to the Photos sheet. I'll select the Photos column header. Then, to navigate to cell B2, I'll press the down arrow key. It's crucial, do not select or move the photo of Arav Sharma in cell B2. I'll repeat this because it's essential for this step. Now, to copy cell B2, press Ctrl+C. Right-click and select Paste Special. You'll see the option Linked Picture, I. This option in Paste Special is called Linked Picture. Click it, and a picture will appear. Click on this picture. You should see a formula like this, equals photos, $B $2. If you don't see this formula within the picture's properties, it's not the correct picture for our needs. I'll now cut this picture and paste it into the photo holder on the ID card. After a slight adjustment to its position, we need to modify the formula inside the picture. First, select the formula. Using the backspace key, erase the existing formula, equals photos, $B $2, and type, equals pic_. We now see the text photos displayed. This is because our currently selected lookup value is the ID number. This also confirms that we're on the right track. To test the student ID card, I'm changing the ID number using the drop-down. Selecting ID 001-4A12 displays Arav Sharma, Class 5A, Roll number 12, Blood Group O positive, and emergency contact ending in 3210. The photos sheet confirms this by highlighting Arav Sharma's row with a green fill and bold, red text. Changing to ID 002-4A25 shows Ishan Gupta, Class 4A, Roll number 25, Blood Group A positive, and emergency contact ending in 8764. The photos sheet correctly highlights Ishan Gupta's row. Selecting ID 015-5B11 displays Adhira Singh, Class 5B, Roll number 11, Blood Group A negative, and emergency contact ending in 2211. The photos sheet confirms Adhira Singh's row is correctly highlighted. Finally, changing to ID 020-5B09 shows Udvik Singh, Class 5B, Roll number 9, Blood Group B negative, and emergency contact ending in 7766. The photos sheet confirms Udvik Singh's row is correctly highlighted. This demonstrates that the student ID card is working as expected. I trust this demonstration of dynamic photo ID cards in Excel has been informative and useful. If you found this tutorial valuable, please consider liking this video, sharing it with your network, and subscribing to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Your feedback is important to me. so please leave your comments below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more Excel content in the future.